In a small, peaceful village nestled between rolling hills, something extraordinary was about to happen. The villagers were abuzz with whispers of strange lights dancing in the woods at night. These lights, they said, were the will-o'-the-wisps, mystical creatures from the enchanted forest. One curious young student named Alex, always eager to learn, decided to investigate. He packed his bag with a flashlight, a notebook, and a sense of adventure. As he ventured into the forest, he felt a thrill of anticipation. The forest was dark and quiet, but the will-o'-wisps were not. Their lights flickered and danced, leading Alex deeper into the woods. He followed them, his heart pounding with excitement. Suddenly, he stumbled upon a clearing where the will-o'-wisps gathered. They were more beautiful than he had ever imagined, their lights shimmering like tiny stars. Alex felt a sense of awe wash over him. He sat down, notebook in hand, and began to observe. He noticed that the will-o'-wisps seemed to be drawn to certain plants, their lights pulsing more brightly when near them. He jotted down his observations, eager to learn more. After hours of watching, Alex decided it was time to return home. He thanked the will-o'-wisps for the incredible experience and made his way back to the village. Back home, Alex was filled with wonder and excitement. He shared his findings with his classmates, sparking a newfound curiosity about the natural world. The will-o'-wisps, once feared, had become a symbol of the magic and mystery that lay just beyond the village. From that day forward, Alex was not just a student, but an explorer, always ready to seek out the unknown and learn from the world around him. And the will-o'-wisps? They remained a mystery, their lights flickering in the forest, leading others to wonder and discovery. So, whenever you encounter something strange or mysterious, remember Alex. Embrace the unknown, seek out the answers, and you too might find a world of wonder just beyond the familiar.